Hello everyone, welcome back to Eating the African. Well, guess what? Today we are having a Ugandan food bloggers meetup. So today I'm going to eat. We're not going to cook or to other streets. I was invited to eat. So this is Martina, Where to Dine.
Hi guys.
Take over.
Hi guys, I'm Martina from Where to Dine. I have an Instagram page called Where to Dine. Currently we are at GAUCHO Grill Uganda for a foodies lunch. And we are going to basically just meet up over good food, good drinks while enjoying the location. It's located in Entebbe, Bwebajja. If you know where that is, it's right on the road, so you can't miss it. It's a beautiful place. They have different types of food. They have Rodizio, which is like eat all you can. So you can come here, eat like crocodile meat, beef, chicken, as much as you want. They have that offer, so you can come and check it out anytime that you'd like. But for now, we are waiting for the other foodies to arrive, and then we start.
So they are not keeping time. So today I was invited to do what I do best on the channel, is eating. So stay here, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing if you've been with us. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Let us get to the video. Everyone is coming in late, you know our ladies. So introduce yourself to the people, tell them what you do on your channel.
Hi, it's an honor and a privilege to be on Eating the African Way. My name is Awat, Lynette. I am also a food blogger plus a lifestyle content creator. Do check out my YouTube channel, Awat Lynette, and I'm so happy to be meeting other food creators today.
All right.
Welcome to Eating the African Way, and today I have taken over his channel, so I hope you like what you see. Okay, today we're at GAUCHO Grill, and I think we can't wait to eat. I came at exactly lunchtime. This is a bloggers meetup, and I hope you love what you see. I'm out of words to say, as you can see. So. Let's just tune in, just keep watching. There's lots of other people you're going to meet that is among the bloggers community, so we have a lot to share with you. Apart from me, I barely have one. So
hi guys, my name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. I don't know if I'm going to sustain the accent, so let's just be normal. So I'm the cooking nurse and I love cooking. I am professionally a nurse, but I want to pursue culinary and food, and maybe one day I'll be a chef. Yeah, you already know me now. When I become a chef, you will have my contact, so you don't have to struggle.
Hi, my name is Angel and I run an Instagram food blog called Devour Point. Kindly follow.
Now my challenge is, eating that kind, we don't need a menu. So today we have a menu and I don't know what to eat. You know, when we visit a restaurant, we just order for what you want because already you know what is there. So today we have a menu and it's like I want everything which is on this menu. I love everything. But I'm trying to do my best to pick out something which I'm going to eat. But I heard they have crocodile meat. I've never tasted that. Crocodile meat. Ooh, I even fear it. So I'm going to try it out today and see how it tastes. I'll be sharing the experience. I hope all it goes well. But I know by now you have met other food bloggers. We have cooking nurse. You have seen her on this channel. We have Where to Dine, the only person who decided to quit YouTube. I finally said it. I finally said it. I don't know the reason why, but she decided to do that. Then we have Lynette behind me. Lynette.
yes, sir.
She's called Lynette Awat. I'm going to drop their links in the description box. I also have Viki. I know you cannot see her clearly.
We've done so many things together which we've never posted.
I'm always posting my stuff.
She posts it, it's just my problem. But I'm on YouTube now, again.
So I'm going to drop their links in the description box. When you get time. They're also on Instagram. So when you get time, please check them out and show some love to them. Thank you so much. I thought to choose a drink, so I told Viki to help me. Viki, what is this?
This is a pina colada. If you like pina colada, that's the only reason I actually got this one.
I don't understand this.
Yeah,
Even that
but this doesn't taste as well as I remember. Is it good? Good as I remember the very, I don't know if the first one or even the following drinks. It's sorry, but it's just okay. It's just okay. So her drink was called the pink what? Pink lady. Pink lady. There's a pink drink there called Pink Lady. Someone else has ordered a Long Island, a Templar. Two people ordered the Templar and you ordered
was it life what? Lime?
This is tropical punch.
Tropical punch. Yeah, Lifeline wasn't there. There's no electricity. And then there was one mojito. So those are all our drinks. Cheers, since Cheers refused on the other one.
I think I chose a wrong drink.
Apologies.
Accepted.
Coconut water doesn't taste great for everyone, so it's
okay.
I'm so glad that you made it all the way this side, even with all the traffic. I know it's a bit distant from the usual places that are there around the Acacia streets, but thank you for making it. I just wanted us to have like a foodies meetup. People who generally love food, you always share places where people can go and dine and eat. So I wanted us to interact as foodies, get to know each other. Probably possible collaborations, partnerships are coming soon after this, but yeah, that's the whole point of this. Please feel free to share anything that you would like to share, any things that have challenged you, anything that you have a question about, like you're not sure how to do that certain thing and it has been disturbing you. Just ask. We have Eating the African Way here, who is representing us on YouTube, and so many of you, like everyone is amazing. I follow each one of you here. I love all your food vlogs. They're amazing. They inspire me every day. I feel like I'm procrastinating. I feel like, yeah, okay, these guys are doing it. Let me wake up. So, yeah.
Thank you, Martina.
Lynette, don't forget me.
Hold that top part. Yeah, but we record you. Accent a bit, please. Okay.
So unlike my food is late, but I have something I can eat as I wait for my food to come. Ooh, yeah. I think by the time my food comes here, I'm going to be full. But I think I'll have
chili again.
I'll have some space for that food.
Oh, what? Well, beef, yeah.
I don't know why I asked for all this meat. And they pack it.
Finally, my food is here. So this is called chicken cordon bleu. I've never heard of that. To be frank with you, but we're enjoying the moment, enjoying each and every food. I know if you want to know more foods we had today, you check these guys out. They have more than me. Think more than what I filmed.
It's
Yeah.
such a new feature.
But I've always had it.
No.
No, like
I
I've
haven't
always.
always used it.
Yeah, I don't use it, but I've always had it.
Crocodile.
Then you some
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
When I'm here to eat. So I'm used to our local foods, our local content creation. So today it's a different story.
Okay.
I'm going to do something new.
if you don't have more people to serve,
So
it's okay.
I wanted to get these as memories to share with you my people who are always eating that.
That's why even I removed the first one was.
And those who always complain that I eat a lot and I don't gain weight. You know, I play soccer. I'm a footballer. I do a lot of exercises so that I can don't gain weight. You know, we always have to keep in shape.
No, like two.
So for men who are on this channel, we have so many singles here. Cooking Nurse is not single, so don't think about her. But she might be single, and those two girls are single.
Actually, I'm not.
But I'm so sure Viki, SoleilExperience is single. Lynette, I don't know about Lynette, I'm not so sure, but you know, those girls are not married, they are always single, even if they're dating someone. Martina, 100% she's single and searching.
You always say like, no, I don't want that food.
I get it, but I think that for this pizza, it's a rabbit.
So today it's all about eating, so it is less talking.
Yeah.
And right now we are waiting for our, is it crocodile meat? I've never tasted this. Though crocodile, I've never, someone is just looking at me. I've never tasted crocodile meat. But I'm just here waiting. So today it's a whole new experience. It's a whole new experience. You know what we do here on Eating the African Way. We go to the street, we visit those local restaurants. We cook food our local way, our way, you know. So today it's totally a whole different experience. I hope you love it, you like it. So I wanted to share with you this memorable day as some of the Ugandan food bloggers. I said some, not all. Some of the Ugandan food bloggers. Yep. And I hope you love them. Some of them are YouTubers, others are YouTubers, and then Instagram, on YouTube and also on Instagram, others are YouTube, basically. Yeah, please follow them, show them some love, and
Yes, yeah. That's the last
So my entire life, I've never thought of eating a crocodile. So this is my first time. I don't know how it tastes. I'm even scared, but I need to give it a try and. You know, when I'm eating it, I'm seeing it walking through the water. You know how it looks. Wow.
It's in between pork and fish.
I'm not eating this.
Just very different.
Eh?
It's nice.
It's like the first time I tasted lamb.
It was so different, but I love
For the smell alone is.
It is getting used to it.
Inyama nimugitwala anko. Mumpesa vye. Anko. Wowe nyine woyogete. No, I'm going to take it to my house help. She's the one who likes trying things I make. She's like, I've never tasted this one.
The smell from the crocodile meat is not that pleasant.
It's a seafood.
Yes.
but they're like
They're
very
squishy.
small.
Maybe next time I'll be prepared for it,
So we
but
have that
today,
squishy thing and
no.
like
It has been a whole new experience for me. Unfortunately, we didn't get a person from this place, any of the person working at this place, to explain what will happen here, apart from what we have done, we have been doing in the video. I wanted maybe the manager to come, but everyone seems to be so busy. They are so busy. Maybe next time someone will come in. So thank you so much. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. If you have been here, thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Thank you so much. Catch up in the next video. Bye bye.